Okay.
To make a smoky eye.
Chris is the awesomer. That good, Chris. I mean, I love it. I love all of it, but well,
It's okay. That's advanced
It's a
Merry Christmas
guy.
for next year, for the year after that.
okay.
What's that?
That's not the
Some
appropriate
strobe
response.
lotion. Thank you, Chris.
Lotion.
Yeah.
It's supposed to illuminate. It's hydrate. It's
She's gonna shimmer like Edward.
For your face.
Smoky eyes, and then you're
Oh,
gonna
wow.
shimmer, Jen.
Yeah.
You're gonna be like Lady Gaga at the end of the year.
Ooh, I got the cream too.
Oh, it's not bad. It's gonna. Yeah.
Wow.
You're gonna look really pretty when you're coordinating.
If I could really enough, I could do the hair. I would
You got a
perfect.
straightener, and you got
Yeah.
makeup, you got smoky
I know.
eyes. We expect it all to see it on Monday.
We have to look pretty, Joanne, or really bad.
That's cute.
Sorry.
Hold that up
That's-
with your lighter. Hang on to it.
So now we know what Chris thinks of you.
Subliminals.
Oops.
Okay.
I thought that was just your sister.
There's tons of them. Can you hurry up, Jen? I'm just kidding.
I'm trying.
I'm a hurry, Jen.
Handle.
How many are there?
It's an endless box. Somebody's feeding them from under the table.
Creamy nutmeg. I'm all excited.
Oh my gosh, I can smell that candle over here. What was that other one?
The winter candy apple.
That one I'm not sure if it'll fit, but
I'm totally sure.
Okay.
Is it ever gonna air that?
I know, right?
My flips.
Watch your flips. Woo, Jen. Those are
My friend
cool.
Check out your flips, Jen. Okay, Jen. Okay, Jen. Hurry up, Jen.
Those are neat.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chris.
Hey, that's my size. I think these will be too well for you, Jen.
What? No, I'm just kidding.
I appreciate it all. Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year, happy birthday, Merry Christmas again. Yeah, for the other.
Feliz Navidad.